Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a FAQ over apple cider vinegar for weight loss, because I made a video years ago and I did not expect it to get almost 1 million views. So yeah, and you guys have asked plenty of questions and I just cannot keep up. So basically I'm just going to skim through a few of the questions that I did see, and then I'm going to answer them for you, and hopefully that helps you. So yeah guys, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so we're going to be talking about this stuff right here. So basically the #1 question that I seen on that video was, does it have to be the Bragg's brand? No, it does not have to be the Bragg's brand. I've just seen plenty of videos using this brand, so this is what I picked up and continue to use over the years. As long as it says with the mother, you are good to go. Next question would be, do you have to use lemon juice? You do not have to use lemon juice. It's completely optional. If you want, you can just do apple cider vinegar and water. Some people add honey, some people add cayenne pepper. It's completely up to you, but lemon does have a few factors that can aid in weight loss as well. So that's why I was drinking it with lemon juice, but now I just mainly just drink apple cider vinegar with water. This question, y'all, this question right here was literally like repetitive. How often did I drink it? So in that video, if I can remember properly, I want to say that I drank it 3 times a day. Now I just drink it in the morning and as well before nighttime, and then I'm good to go. So basically it's going to suppress my appetite throughout the day and throughout the night. So it's completely up to you. If you are going to drink it 3 times a day, just make sure that you drink it at least 30 minutes to an hour before you plan to eat your meal. Okay, next question. I did have a few moms on the comments down below. They wanted to know, like, can you consume this while breastfeeding? That I am not sure about. So I would definitely suggest consulting that with your physician just to double check to make sure everything's okay. But I don't see a problem with it, but because since it is all natural, but you know, who knows, there may be an issue. So just check with your physician, girl. Check with your physician. And last but not least, the most, oh my God, does it work? Okay, so basically I would just say this, it does work. Apple cider vinegar does suppress your appetite and everything like that. So basically, I will say, I will call it an aid or a tool for as like weight loss goes. Because, you know, apple cider vinegar, it is powerful. It does make you lose weight without exercising and things like that. But you still have to at least attempt to eat healthier. You can't just eat fried chicken and pasta and cheese all damn day. No. You have to at least attempt to eat healthy, and then the weight will basically just fall off. I've seen plenty of people in the comments of that video say it worked. So, I mean, obviously it does work. That one particular video, I did lose 10 pounds in 7 days. So, yeah, you kind of like, it's just common sense, guys. In order to lose weight, you have to change your diet. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it over this holy grail staple that you guys have seen all over YouTube, Instagram, every social media platform far as losing weight. So I'm still taking it currently to this day. As you can tell, I didn't put a dent in this bottle. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them down below. I will have the link to that video that I'm talking about, and as well as a link to a video on how to prepare the drink down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.